Are you down to one key for your Toyota vehicle? I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to make a spare key. And we've got solutions for thousands and thousands of other vehicles. And if you've lost all your keys for your Toyota Sienna or Lexus vehicle, reach out to us through our customer service for help. We might have a solution to help you get a key made without going to the dealership. Also, be sure you stick around to see the magic of our Key by Photo key cutting service. It is absolutely amazing. Let's jump in and see just how easy that is. So here's what you've got. To use Tom's Key Company, you need to have one working key. In this case, we've got this tile key finder on it, so it pairs to the smartphone. We can always find the keys if they get lost, and this one works. Here's the new one with the purple tag. This one does not work. It needs to be programmed to the vehicle, so we've got a spare. We're gonna use this little programming device and the phone with our Tom's Key Company Make My Key app. First thing we gotta do, get the programmer plugged in. Super easy. Just come down by the gas and brake pedal, look up till you see the OBD port, and you plug it in. Light turns on, you got power. To make your life a little bit easier, I recommend buying one of these extension cables. With the extension cable, we can plug the programmer in and see what's happening with it. So power the phone on. Be sure you power it off when you're done to make it easier for the next customer, and fire up the app. Remember, as a rental device, you want to make sure you send these back. We'll provide a return postage label. Just log into our returns portal and follow the steps to get this thing shipped back. Okay, app's fired up. You see it made the Bluetooth connection. We're going to come into Toyota. This is a 2015 Sienna. There's some warnings to read and agree to. All right, turn the ignition on. Don't start the engine. So I've got my working key in the vehicle, and I got my new key. Do not push the brake pedal. I'm going to push the button once and then twice. Doing that, we'll see lights turn on, the dashboard display fires up. Make sure your headlights are turned off, your HVAC, radio, anything that's drawing vehicle battery you want to have turned off. Now, come into the smart key system. We're going to do auto identify. Communicates, finds Prox 5, great. Okay, and it tells us turn the hazard lights on. Hazard lights are on, and push the brake pedal. Click OK, communicating. We need to add a smart key. Now, if you've lost some keys and you want to erase other keys, you can do that really easily and you don't need to be worried. It's not going to erase my working key. So I'll demonstrate this erase smart keys. This is an optional step. And again, the one working key you have is going to keep on working. Use a program smart key to touch the start stop button. I'll hold it up here. Okay. Heard it beep. And we see successful erase. Okay. Great. To show this still working, I'm turning off the engine and the lock cycle. Okay, well, this is underway. Let's check on that phone call to see what the dealership wanted to charge to make a spare key. I'm about to call the Toyota dealership and find out how much they want to rip me off for to make a spare key for this Toyota Sienna. Hi, I'm trying to find out what it takes to get another key fob made for a Toyota Sienna 2015.
Let me get you with the service advisor, sir.
Cool,
One
thank you.
second.
All right, back on hold. Next question is, how long do I have to wait just to talk to somebody to get a quote? I might be done programming a spare key right at home faster than it takes me just to get the quote.
All of our lines are busy at the moment.
Might not have time to wait for this. All right, I'm gonna call them back. We're gonna call their parts department instead.
Retail parts. Can you hold for just a minute?
Sure. I'm on hold again. I'm just trying to get a quote. We'll come back to this call later. Okay, again, erasing smart keys, completely optional, but you don't need to worry. The one key used to touch the start stop button will continue working. And then you can add smart keys. You could add more than one if you need. Today, we just have one to add. So I'm gonna hit the add smart key, communicating. Use a program key to touch the start stop button. So I'm gonna hold up here, listen for a beep. There, it beeped, it goes pretty quick. This is time sensitive. Within 10 seconds, touch your new key up to the start stop button. Listen for it to beep. You wanna hold it up there until you hear a couple beeps and you see programming success. Programming success. Wasn't that easy. Now, the only thing left is to test everything. Turn off the vehicle, turn off the flashers, disconnect the programmer. Let's check that our lock and unlock works. Here's our existing one. See, it's still working. And here's the new one. There, it works. And just for fun, let's make sure our sliding door works and Our rear door works, and the other sliding door. Yep, all the buttons work. Perfect. We want to make sure it starts the engine. To do that, we first need to get both keys out of the vehicle far enough away that the vehicle's not sensing them. When I come push the start stop button and try to start it, we get our no key detected. Okay, now we'll bring the keys in one at a time and check them. Here's the original key. Of course, it still works. Engine fires up. Let's turn off the car. And here's our new key. Engine fires up. Isn't that great? Can you believe how easy that was to make a spare key? Last thing, as you finish up, be nice, power off for the next customer. Power off. And then when you ship the rental programmer back, the next person that gets it will have a nice charge. When you place your order, be sure to add our key by photo key cutting service. Even on these smart fobs, you want that key blade cut in case your battery dies so you can still get in the vehicle. After you place your order, you're going to snap 3 photos. Best practice is to turn the key, have the phone directly above the keys. We'll use our key by photo key cutting technology to cut your new key so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. It's absolutely amazing. It's like magic to see your key cut. Everything you need for a do-it-yourself spare key solution coming right at home in the mail. Can you believe how easy that was? We've got a spare key for this Toyota Sienna now with the help of Tom's Key Company. It took under 10 minutes. How easy is that? And I'm gonna finish that call to the car dealership here and find out how much they're gonna charge to do it at their shop. It's gonna take way longer and cost hundreds of dollars more. This is the worst hold.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm trying to find out what it takes to get a spare key for a Toyota Sienna. It's 2015.
Is it a smart key?
Yeah, you push the button to start the engine.
You still have one master key available, or did you lose all your keys?
Right now I still have one available.
So those are probably right around $650.
What? For a new one? $650, and is that parts, programming, you know, like the whole cost?
Yeah.
Around
So it's like $3 something for the key, and then like $298 for programming.
Ouch, pretty spendy. What happens if I lose my only key? Like, does the price change at that point, or is it?
Yeah, the programming goes up. I think it almost doubles because they have to flash the computer, basically take out what was in the system, and start from scratch to program the new key.
Ouch, so probably over $1,000 then if I lost all my keys. And how long does it take?
That, it all depends on how many people are ahead of you, if you have an appointment, you know. I mean, if you're like the first one in, maybe an hour and a half, you know, come in the afternoon, then it might take a few hours to get it done because they got to, you know, take care of all the other cars that have been in.
Okay, well, thanks for the info. I sure appreciate your help. Can you believe that? They wanted $650 to make a spare key fob. That's absolutely outrageous. And if I've lost all my keys, it's close to $1,000. And I'm gonna have to tow the vehicle down to the dealership. Absolutely crazy. You can save hundreds and hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the dealership. At tomskey.com, you'll find your spare key, programming device, and our key by photo key cutting service. So everything arrives, and it'll take you about 10 minutes right at home to make that spare key. At Tom's Key Company, we back all our products with a full money back guarantee. So if you can't get the spare key working, reach out to our customer support team, help.tomskey.com. They'll help solve the problem. And if for some reason it still doesn't work, no worries. You'll ship everything back to us, you get a full refund. It's that easy. I'm so excited to say we've helped over 100,000 people make a spare key for their vehicle. Our customers save around $250 by skipping the car dealership. That's $25 million we've helped our customers keep in their pockets. So come to tomskey.com right now, place your order, and be sure you add our key by photo key cutting service. It'll arrive in the mail quickly, and you'll have everything you need to make a spare key without leaving home.